So pretty. My face before. My name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel. It is currently 10:37 a.m. It is a rainy, gloomy day, which makes me not want to do anything. But today's supposed to be a productive day in my life slash romanticizing my life. So I guess I have to do stuff. Luckily, everything that I want to do is pretty much at home. I did want to run to the store to get something real quick and take a look at some stuff. So we are going to do that, but then we're going to come right back home.
Something bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby.
I'm on my phone because my camera's dying. Currently in the men's sweatsuit section. I saw some girl on TikTok and she was wearing a basic like light gray tracksuit, and I went to the comments to see where she got it from because it just looked really nice and just like well fitting, and she said it was from Walmart. So now that's what I'm looking for. I found it. It's in the men's section. So the crew neck, they have it in a small, but the sweatpants with the open bottom, the smallest they have is a medium. And I don't want to go to the fitting room and actually try that on. That's just way too much work. So I'm like, should I just get the medium and if anything return it? I don't know, we'll see. So I went to Walmart to buy myself flowers and left Walmart spending almost $70 on clothes. We'll see if those get brought back. Also, my camera is officially dead now, so we're gonna make one more quick stop and then we're gonna go home.
Whichever one is in a household, oh damn yeah. Oh, never knew, no I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9.
Guys, my package. My H&M package has arrived. I'm excited. But anyways, we're back. It's 12:38. Really quickly, we're going to pot my flowers. This is my vase. I believe it's from the dollar store. Right now in it, there is 2 tablespoons of sugar. Apparently sugar helps roses last long, or last longer. And then also cold water, because these were in that little like chilled section in the store, so they're supposed to stay cold. So we're also gonna put cold water in here, and we're gonna cut the roses at a 45-degree angle. Also, these are the roses I got. So pretty. We're gonna pot these flowers and then we're gonna eat before we get into doing some more productive things.
From a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a great chick, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough for petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than yesterday.
Okay, so I just chilled for absolutely way too long. Like, this is supposed to be a productive day, but we're still gonna get everything done. 2 more packages just came in. Gonna give you guys a quick little haul. I bought some mangoes, but I also ended up getting the sweatsuit, and we're gonna try it on real quick, see how it fits. Hopefully it fits nice, or maybe hopefully not, because then I'll return it and get my money back. But I don't know, we'll see. And then I also ended up picking up, what? I also ended up picking up this scarf, quite soft, just this gray. It has the little tassels on the end. I just felt like it'd be cute for like the fall and winter time. But sweatsuit, for starters, let's try on these pants. These ones I ended up getting in a medium because they did not have a small. So let's see if I like how they fit. Oh wait. Okay. Flat from the back. I love the length though. So this is how the pants look. Love the length, love the open bottom. There's not much stretch to the crew neck. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm glad I got a small in the crew neck and not a medium. I feel like I look very comfy, very cozy. I need to just stop going to stores. I'm really trying to get my fall wardrobe in order, fall, winter, just my closet in general, because I don't like so many of the items in there. Or not that I don't like, I did a big clean out, so now I feel like I just have no clothes because I got rid of a bunch but didn't rebuy any. So now I'm in the process of rebuying. It's hurting me financially, but I feel real good mentally and emotionally, you know? So I'm really excited to show you guys what's in these two packages. You guys should definitely subscribe because a haul is coming. Some fall outfit inspo is coming. I planned out all my content for the rest of this month. Yeah, for the rest of September and all of October. So subscribe. I have to do a little more planning for it, which we're gonna do later today. But I have all the ideas already planned out. But anyways, I did also get this package. This is from Garage and it's a bikini because it was on sale. I think like the bottoms were like $10 and the top was like $7. So I was like, I had to get it because I'm also going on vacation. So on top of buying all my fall winter clothes, I'm also trying to catch all the like end of summer sales and also buy summer clothes. I'm trying to buy them little by little, so that I don't have to do like one big splurge closer to when we're actually going. But I'm trying not to do too much. I'm trying. But anyways, this is what buying clothes does to me. Like, try to ruin my mood right now. Try. You can't. You literally cannot. So I got this bright blue bikini. These are the bottoms. Cute. And then this is the top, just a simple triangle top. Has little silver details there. And I also bought this little cover up, which is from H&M. This little long white dress, and it has an open back. I just felt like a bright blue bikini would look so cute under this. Another package was delivered. This is an Amazon package, which it is a comforter that I ordered because I really would love to just decorate my room. So I'm trying to buy pieces little by little to decorate my room with a little bit. So I bought a comforter. Anyways, that's all for my packages for today. I have a whole lot of laundry to fold. So let's get to it.
I'm tryna put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes. Nearly point two just to hurt you. All red lamps to tease you. None of these toys on lease to. Made your whole year in a week too. Main bitch out of your league too. Side bitch out of your league too. So empty, need a centerpiece. 20 rocks a table cut from ebony. That average to skinny pieces. Let you clean up with her face when I love my babe. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see the shade. Switch up my sides to Kenny Lane. I switch up my car, kill any pain. Look what you done.
Okay. Hey guys, we're coming to the end of the night and we're winding down now. It's about like 10 p.m. probably. I'm about to just write a little bit to spend some time not on my phone, which is what I'm gonna do in this book. And then I have this book, which I'm going to continue planning out my YouTube content. I want to do this to stay ahead of my YouTube content and just be prepared so I know what I'm filming, when I'm filming it, and when it's being uploaded. And also, again, to spend some time not on my phone. So we're just gonna write. I have a candle lit. The vibes are nice. We're just gonna write a little bit to end off the night, and yeah. Get you an erasable pen.